Yo, what is up, my Knights of the Round Table? Welcome back to Fight Night with your boy, The Knight. Today we got Black Canary versus Black Widow by Superpower Beatdown, Marvel versus DC. Let's get it. I don't know who to go for. I think Black Widow might be the superior fighter, but Black Canary does have the Canary Cry superpower.
Ты неплохо играешь карты.
Ты даже себе не представляешь.
Так, где мы остановились?
Но ты нес какую-то чушь, а я делала вид, что мне интересно.
Oh fuck. Damn! Got him with the thighs! Thighs the limit. House? Is that House of Romanoff or just talking about House of Cards? A big wad of money you leaving. That's Black Canary, 100%. I recognize that motorcycle.
Okay, Dinah. The target
Hey,
is
there's
on
Oracle.
the 4th floor.
That's not a bad actress for Black
She's
Canary. She
moving
looks a lot like her.
southwest towards the elevators.
That's not a black. That's a really good Black Widow actress.
Jarvis,
too.
I've acquired the asset.
Very good.
That's
You
the
have a
accent
target
down.
tracking you on the adjacent
I don't know if that's even
hallway.
action. She actually might be Russian. Black Canary does look weird, like without the jacket. The outfit don't look complete.
She's in the stairwell.
Canary cry.
I just lost eyes on her.
Versus Winter Soldier. I think it is. I gotta say, like, fight for graphics, like, fight for graphics. Like, the punches sound real, and the kicks look real, and the sound is real. This is choreographed and the sound is real.
Come on, Dinah.
Yeah, bullets she has in the gun, by the way.
That all you've got?
Сюрприз.
Surprise. Surprise, motherfucker. Looks like that ear up. Widow side. Scream, do something. Where the fuck was she keeping that? Where the fuck was that at? Where the fuck is she keeping that? In my pocket. Hey, man. More of it, huh? She did more earlier. There you go. Don't split those bullets. It's got to, right? She's screaming about it. Okay, I thought so. Oh, fuck. Damn it.
Dinah! Dinah!
Hey, that's the shield logo like in the Avengers movie. That's awesome. You know she's deaf right now like Hawkeye. Like that cry fucked her hearing all of them. She's still alive. And so is she apparently. Costumes are on point too. Like, no sleep on the costumes. I just kind of wish Canary still had her jacket.
Да пошла ты.
Oh, that's funny.
I'm Aaron, the director.
I'm Tatiana. I played Black.
Southwest.
So, guys, there you have it. Black Widow versus Black Canary, Superpower Beatdown, episode 26. I did assume correctly that Black Widow was the superior fighter. I mean, she was kind of like, but they were both taught their whole lives, but, you know, Black Widow was taught more how to kill. And I did know that, you know, Black Canary's advantage was she had a superpower. Black Widow has kind of a superpower. That, like, kind of like if Captain America's counts. She's, like, beyond, like, slightly beyond peak human physical condition, or is peak. Depending on writing. So, but I agree with this outcome. My only thought is, why didn't she use her Canary Cry a bit more? But I did like how she did use it and it split the bullets apart. And the attack that got her is one that she just couldn't see coming, and it was very Black Widow to throw 2 attacks at once to surprise her. So I agree with the outcome. This was a great fight. You know, the acting, the costumes, the fight choreography. Fight choreograph. I don't know how you say that. It's choreograph. I don't know if you can say it choreography. Choreography. It's choreography. Choreography. The fight choreography. I'm just getting tongue tied all day. What the fuck? But anyway, this was great. Guys, go check out Bat in the Sun. They've made a lot of awesome, fights like this, and there's like a few funny skits they do. This is a great channel. They do great work. I'm very curious to see who's fighting next. Are they going to announce it? Maybe not. So, let me know what you think in the comments below. Who do you think should have won, and what do you think of the video? Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more. And as always, my knights, I will see you in the next video.